This is Selma Schimmel at the Multidisciplinary Cancer Congress 2011 in Stockholm. Today we're joined by Professor Dr. Nathan Cherny. Professor Cherny is the Norman Levin Chair of Humanistic Medicine at Shaare Zedek Medical Center in Jerusalem. You know, as you're speaking about this, it really does bring up the question now of clinical trials, because yesterday we were in a meeting and you made a few very bold statements that you knew, saying them, they were controversial. So why don't we touch on that, because there is sort of a parallel track to this.
I'll preempt my comments by saying that medical research is really important. That where we are right now in the level of cancer care, we're here because of all of the tens of thousands of patients who've been prepared to participate in clinical trials that have helped us to refine a better standard of care. There's a lot of confusion often between medical care and medical research. Medical care is when a doctor works with one-on-one with a patient to design the best care for them, and has the flexibility to really tailor things to the individual patient. An ill person who chooses to participate in medical research, the goal of that medical research is to provide new generalizable knowledge. It's not about providing them individualized care. And this is an important distinction. And it's an important distinction because, number one, many patients are encouraged to participate in the clinical studies, and particularly phase 3 studies, which are randomized between two options, under the prospect that they might be having an option of getting a new and better treatment, which is going to be good, which is going to be in their best interest. What happens to those patients who are randomized to the control arm? Okay, do they feel that they have lost out? Not in many cases they do. In many cases they'll say, if I've been randomized to the control arm, that's it, I'm out of here. And part of this sense of disappointed is because of this misleading advertising. That research is about getting better care. Sometimes the control arm will turn out to be better than the new arm. Sometimes it'll be the other way around. But the decision to go into the study, or to go into a study, it is misleading for the patient to feel that this is because this is the best thing for them. It may be better for them, it may not be better for them. But undoubtedly, if they participate, the knowledge generated is going to help future patients and patients further on down the line. Now, they may or may not individually benefit, but are they going to be benefiting other people further on down the line? Yes. What I can say is that even the control arm needs to be at least equivalent to the best standard available care of the day.
Which in the majority of cancer treatments, not supportive care or quality of life type of treatments, but for really hardcore clinical treatment, it wouldn't be less than the standard of care.
It cannot be less than the standard of care. The requirements of the Declaration of Helsinki are very explicit, extremely explicit, about the control arm.
Professor Dr. Nathan Cherny, I hope we get to do a lot more together with you. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.